I have started the program and selected right biceps as muscle for testing. Let's look at the layout of the screen. At the top, we have the filter settings. Specifically, the low frequency setting or the high pass filter setting is 500 Hz. This is used when jitter is measured using a single fiber EMG electrode. If you plan on making jitter analysis using a concentric needle, you probably want to increase this setting to 1 kHz or 2 kHz. To make the change, click on the arrow. From the drop-down list, select the desired filter setting. And to make this change permanent, you can click on File and then Save Test Setup. Our high frequency setting is 10 kHz. We have two trace areas. In the top trace area, labeled Monitor, we are going to look at the EMG signals as they are being registered by the needle. The crossbar indicates our amplitude trigger and delay control. You can change the level by using the mouse. You can change the delay by using the mouse. You can also change the level by using the function knob on the control panel. Our gain is 200 microvolts per division. Sweep is 1 millisecond per division. These can be changed using the software controls indicated by the arrows or the hardware controls on the control panel. Our input signals are coming from DIN 1. Below this, we have controls for the live play as well as the quality control. This is going to show us the rise time of the potentials in milliseconds, so 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, and so on. In the bottom window, we will see the traces that are collected for analysis in a triggered mode. These are called cascades, and we are going to superimpose those traces. On the right hand side, we have the result table where we will see the numerical data, and the same data is shown graphically in the bottom right window. At the bottom, we have function keys that we will discuss as we perform the procedure. But the key at this point of time to focus on is the analysis function key. By default, the system will collect 150 sweeps of signal and will automatically go into analysis mode. If for some reason you are not able to collect 150 sweeps and you need to enter analysis mode manually, you can do so by pushing the F7 or F8 function keys. You can do this on the keyboard or by clicking with mouse on it.